In this video, we are going to design this spherical staircase by using linear pattern instant vary method. Let's start. Here, we'll select the top plane first. We'll create one circle. We'll specify the diameter of circle. This is 5. Exit. We'll select the sketch and go to extrude. Defining total height of 150 mm and zoom out. OK. Now we'll select this feature. Click on edit appearance. Here we'll change the appearance of the shaft. Do OK. Now again we'll select the top plane. Click on sketch. Here we'll take convert entities. We'll select this edge and convert into a circle. Do OK. Now we'll take offset option. Defining 1 mm distance. Click on this circle and OK. Now we'll draw a center line, horizontal and vertical. Now defining the distance of center line 40. Now I'll draw one midpoint line. I'll take this point, defining the distance of line 25. Now we'll take a line and draw a tangent line to the circle. So click on this and we'll select the line, press Ctrl, select the circle and take tangent option. So we can see it's properly tangent now. We'll go to mirror entities, select the line, click on mirror about, select on center line, do OK. Now we'll go to fillet command, we'll select the corners, defining radius value 5. And we'll select the second corner, yes and OK. Now here we are going to delete some relation, like I'm going to delete this horizontal relation, and here we'll delete a vertical relation. Now we'll define the angle between this line and this line 90. So it can easily rotate over this line, that's why I just deleted that relations. So when we do pattern, we can rotate that. Now we'll go to trim entities. We'll take power trim and we'll keep trim entities as a construction geometry. I'm going to trim the circle and trim half from here and this portion also. So now we'll exit. Now we'll select the sketch and go to extrude command. We're defining the extrude length of 2 mm and I want to make it little distance, so here I'm taking offset of 8 mm. Do OK. We'll select the feature. We'll change the appearance of this. So we'll go to edit appearance. Here I'll go to organic wood and let's take beech, and I'm selecting here polished beech. Do OK. Now we'll select this feature. We'll go to linear pattern. We'll select the direction is this, reverse. Defining the distance between them, I'm taking distance here 8. Total number of object is 17. So feature is selected. Now we'll select here instance to vary option. Here we'll select the angle that we have given 90 degree. Now we have to specify the increment angle value. So here we'll just double click and change the angle value to 25 and do OK. So this is how we have done this part. If you like this video, subscribe our channel and thank you for watching this video.